Hey friends, it's Sarah, your virtual co-host here on Spicy Takes and Tax Breaks. And today, we're talking about the write-offs that most LLC owners miss. Not because they're hiding, not because they're complicated, but because nobody ever actually told you they were a thing. So let's fix that. Here are the top 3 overlooked write-offs every LLC should be taking, but almost nobody does. First up, and this one's a biggie, the home office deduction. But I'm not talking about that little $5 per square foot shortcut the IRS gives you. That one is cute, but it's usually leaving money on the table. Most people don't know this, but if you've got a dedicated space in your home for business, even a small one, you can take what's called the actual expense method. This means whatever percentage of your home your office occupies, you get to apply that percentage to a bunch of home-related expenses. Things like rent or mortgage interest, utilities, internet, homeowners or renters insurance, repairs, even things like pest control or landscaping in some cases. Yep, all partially deductible. So if your office is, say, 10% of your home, suddenly 10% of all those expenses become business write-offs. This is why I call it the multiplier. One deduction becomes 10, and most people never even look into it. If you use your space regularly and exclusively for business, this is money you're entitled to. Don't let fear or old-school CPA advice talk you out of it. It's not a red flag. It's literally in the tax code for you. Second, the category I see small business owners forget all the time, education and professional development. If it helps you do your job better, run your business smarter, or make more money, it's almost always deductible. And no, it doesn't have to be a formal certification or something boring. It can be courses, workshops, books, paid newsletters, masterminds, conferences, coaching, skills upgrades, marketing or sales education. Basically, if it improves the business you already run, it counts. And here's the thing. Most people buy these things in moments of inspiration and then totally forget to write them off at tax time. Don't be that person. Track them, screenshot the receipt, tag the email, whatever works. Because you're spending money to level up, and the IRS gives you a deduction for that exact reason. So yes, your glow up is business deductible. Treat it like the asset it is. And finally, the one that people miss almost universally, subscriptions, software, and AI tools. Your tech stack is a goldmine of write-offs. If you pay for it to run your business, create content, stay organized, process payments, communicate, or automate anything, it's probably deductible. Think about tools like Canva, Google Workspace, Dropbox, Calendly, Slack, QuickBooks, Stripe fees, PayPal fees, social media schedulers, video editing apps, podcast tools like Riverside or Descript, AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, Midjourney, Synthesia, and all those $9.99 App Store subscriptions for things you barely remember signing up for. If you use it to operate your business, write it off. The reason people miss these? Subscriptions are tiny and scattered. They renew automatically. And the Apple or Google bill doesn't always tell you what the app is. But add them up and suddenly you're looking at $1,000 to $5,000 in annual deductions that many business owners just forget. So, take 5 minutes after this episode and scroll through your subscriptions. You'll be shocked how many of them should be in your bookkeeping. All right, quick recap of your new favorite deductions. 1. The Home Office Multiplier. The real method, not the simplified one, can save you hundreds or thousands. 2. Education, plus professional development. If it helps you grow your skills or your business, it's probably deductible. 3. Subscriptions, software, and AI tools. Your digital toolkit counts. Every app, every platform, every tiny monthly charge. These are easy. They're legal. They're yours. So don't miss them because there's real money to be saved here. If you found yourself thinking, wait, I've definitely skipped one of these, do yourself a favor. Reach out to Aubree for a complimentary review of where you're spending your money. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. This is Sarah, keeping your deductions spicy and your stress low. If this hit home, do Aubree a favor, share the podcast with another business owner who's ready to stop guessing and start mastering their finances. Remember, the whole mission of AV Accounting and Spicy Takes and Tax Breaks is simple. Know your position, build your wealth.